Testing one, two, three. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and today we have the technical session number 153. Our subject is compensating dripper line or dripper system in the irrigation project. Still, we are going in the irrigation uh, projects. So, before going ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe the video and press the bell icon in order to reach the next video with easy access. And our channel reference is Material Engineer Official, where 153 videos are on board for easy access. So the in the irrigation there are three-four system. So one is bubbler system, which is supplying the water and in according to the quota, and it is the water consumption is more. Second one is the sprinkler. Wherever it is required, the sprinkler will be established. And the third one is the dripper line, which is the most successful in the field also. So this dripper is pressure line and it's provide the water everywhere. And the overall this SCADA system, which we in the last video we discussed the SCADA, that is the software control, and that is uh, control the whole scenario of the irrigation projects. So we will discuss the triple line, which is the most common and the successful system in the irrigation, where the controlling the water and the supply of the water in a unique way. So, uh, what is the pressure compensating of the drip line? The pressure compensating is a term used to describe the emitter that maintain the same output of varying water inlet pressure. Therefore, this drip line emitter compensate for the uneven terrain length of supply tubes and the verifying the inlet. So there is a device, it is also fixed in there with the help of the sensor control and the all the system which is on board. This is also equipped with a labyrinth and the diaphragm that maintain a contact flow of water in a pressure line and fluctuate in the different way. So a uniform flow, the pressure compensating dripper deliver exactly the right amount of water and the nutrients to every plants in a long run and the uneven topographic locations. So it is continuous self-cleaning mechanism, flush hoods and the debris and prevents clogging throughout the crop life cycle. So, what is the difference between the pressure compensating and the non-pressure compensating drip line? The pressure compensating drip will deliver the same amount of water to each plant regarding the change of the pressure without any drip irrigation system. Whereas the non-pressure compensating drip will not compensate for a pressure change, and thus it is not a plants will receive the same amount of the water as it should be fixed for a particular area. So why the compensation of the ripple and emitter? It is a deliver a precise amount of water regardless the changes are in the pressure due to the long rows and the changes in a terrain. So they can simplify the designing of a system and gathering, reduce, maintain since they ready to get the unplugged and the plugged also. So there is a question also, what is the maximum pressure for a drip line? Need the pressure for regulatory for the drip line uh, is between 10 to 30 psi pounds per square inches because the compensating is the designed to operate under the low pressure, and if the water pressure is higher than the 30 psi, it can be damage the whole system. So ripple is also due to the time and the according to the sensor control and according to maintain its cool position, it is sometimes it is dropped, and once it is required the water again automatic it will run in the system and in the circular direction 3 degree and also in right left and whatsoever is the functions, it supply the water everywhere like a natural rain. So this was the dripper system, and some material, this is also HDP material and the UV protection material, and somewhere this material is the fixed HDP and UPVC and the UV rated also, because it is always outside the s- sun, direct to the sun, and also this material is imported from different countries. So the manufacturing of this material and the system is according to the BS, or STM, and whatsoever the standard says is different standard, but at the end of the day, this is a unique function for the whole of this material. So this was the triple compensating system in the irrigation, which is the more successful system as compared to the bubbler, which have the more water consumption, which need more water consumption, and the also sprinkler is also fixed according to the site condition and the buildings and whatsoever. And but the mostly in the field irrigation, the triple line is a successful system, and all the whole scenario it is controlled by the SCADA system, which is also a part of the irrigation network for the watering system. So in next video, we will see each other with another subject. And thank you very much and have a nice day.